it's raining here on the east coast of Arkansas. Light rain, trains going by, you know, waiting on that coat of paint to dry on the Maytag cart. Rain's a good thing. I like rain. Quite enjoyable. Little thunder in the background. Oh, that's the train. That's the 6 o'clock train, eastbound. Yeah, here on the east coast of Arkansas, every day, 6 o'clock. Quite as regular as railroad time can be. I'm just saying. A train, rain, working on a Maytag cart. Yeah, life is good. Eastbound. Yeah, here on the east coast of Arkansas, every day, 6 o'clock. That's flux core wire. That little Hobart handler. Just a little quickie. This right here is a tack cloth. You see it, it's cheesy cloth with some beeswax on it. The cart, we're up to this point right here. We got the primer on yonder. Rust-Oleum. Rusty metal primer. It was new metal, no rust, but it's a real good primer. We done got it on there. I'm going to put another coat on yonder, and we're going to paint this thing. It's the wheels. I will give you a tip. The wheels, the color has it's dark hunter green, the color on them. We done already got a coat on there, 2 more to go. So I'm going to go ahead and knock the cart out, spray her down, 3 coats, Rust-Oleum. We're going to get her done. Leave a comment. A train, rain, working on a Maytag cart. Yeah.